Bald eagles can be affected by a number of other threats, including many which are not intentional. They can be trapped in traps which are set for other animals, say as far as a mechanism for hunting other animals, or in predator control of coyotes or wolves, or in the fur industry. If traps are being set for predators, very often a carcass is poisoned. And since eagles can feed on carrion, especially during winter, then they can also be poisoned. Eagles are also being affected by the fact that as humans use more and more land and natural resources for themselves, there is simply less for wildlife. Humans have severely reduced the availability of fish, waterfowl, and then other food items that eagles might prey on in the winter, perhaps as carrion, such as bison. They have severely reduced the amount of wetland habitat available for bald eagles, and deforestation has removed potential nest trees. Given that bald eagle nests are the largest in all of birds, they need large, robust trees for their nests. U.S. population was only 5 million people in the year 1800. It reached 76 million people in the year 1900 and was well over 340 million in the year 2024. Bald eagles can be killed by power lines. They can collide with the power lines. They can be electrocuted by power lines. Some eagles attempt to build nests on power lines, and sometimes, obviously, eagles' nests can be so large, this might result in power outages and eagle nests need to be moved. This can be addressed to some degree by the spacing of power lines from each other, which would prevent the chance of electrocution. Many birds are killed by windmills, and bald eagles are included in this list, as are golden eagles. As we build more and more windmills to combat the dependence on fossil fuels and limit climate change, more eagles will potentially be affected, especially as windmills are built more near coastal areas. Some aspects of windmill design can lessen this chance, such as the inclusion of lighting or slower velocity of the windmill blades. Climate change will have diverse effects on bald eagles. Here is a dramatic example. In the summer of 2023, immense wildfires in Canada put up so much particulate pollution that the air was difficult to breathe in much of the northeastern United States. Here in this image along the Delaware River, you can see that not only did people struggle with breathing this air, but so too did this bald eagle. Other effects of climate change would include drought and increased wildfires in some areas, and an increased frequency of severe weather events in other areas. Finally, while many species of bird can tolerate the presence of humans well, bald eagles prefer to be apart from humans, especially when nesting. That is why many bald eagle nests will sequester an area and limit the number of people who hike or boat nearby, because this would disturb the eagles. So, for example, with nesting, eagles which are flushed away from the nest would then be spending less time on the nest where they're warming their eggs, or less time potentially feeding their young, or wasting energy flying away rather than conserving it. So there are a variety of threats which bald eagles face in the modern world.